Welcome to North Carolina.
In typical Schmidty fashion, I am waiting for the last minute to get stuff done here. Here I am, outside, trying to set the mood for you boys when you get here. Just spent the last half hour trying to put up some lights in the backyard. And then, there was light. Wow, not bad if I do say so myself. Be a lot of drinking going on that patio in the next few days. Looking forward to it now, boys. See you soon.
We have Twizzlers and Poppables.
Yes! Hey boy, Green Bay's way in our rear view mirror at this point. How many coupons do you have left to use before we get out of Indiana?
Out of Indiana?
Yeah.
3, 4.
We're on track. Hey boy, looks like we made it to Kentucky.
We did.
And looks like
That's the good
there's
one.
one bed.
That's the bad news.
Kettle time.
Just take it right off. Yes, that shoes are better than that. Come on, squeal, squeal.
Hermie, I already didn't shave my head for you this morning. What's the best kind of breakfast?
Free breakfast.
Hey Hermie, you know the hotel has my credit card on file?
Yeah?
You got something to declare?
Yeah.
Yeah, coffee maker. The iron, really? Yeah, everybody needs an alarm clock these days. All right, no more shenanigans like this, okay?
I'm sorry.
I just arrived at the airport in Milwaukee, left about 10 o'clock this morning. My understanding is Billy and Hermie left yesterday morning and are driving to Charlotte. Swear to God, I just passed them on I-94. Schmidty, rearrange the teams. We're gonna be 2 men short.
All right, here I am, leaving work. The boys are supposed to be landing in about a half hour. I'm an hour drive away. And if I had Rick's Mercedes, I'd probably make it on time, but I'm gonna make those suckers wait on me because they're used to doing that. Looking forward to seeing you boys in a little while.
At the airport, waiting for Rick. Can't wait to see you guys. Rick, I'll buy you an Irish whiskey at this first bar. First class seat for what better be a first class trip, boys.
I'm worried about, hey, I got a new hip and these guys haven't seen me. Are they gonna recognize me? What if they don't? But I say, once you get on the golf course, that'll all change. Because I'm gonna kick some ass this weekend. All right, here I am at the airport, early as usual, waiting for Terry and Rick to stop lollygagging around and get their luggage. While Terry and Rick are waiting for me, and I'm gonna make them wait as long as I want. I don't think it'll be an issue with Terry because, you know what, he's really a big deal, and I'm sure he'll try to find somebody that actually knows him. Now, on the other hand, Rick, that is a different situation. He's probably on his iPhone or his laptop trying to figure out how far Charlotte actually is from Hilton Head.
Greater Charlotte area, which is a little over 4 hours from Hilton Head Island.
And he's probably going to figure out that, hey, if it's 4 hours, I can do it 2.5 hours in my Mercedes. Terry! You want me to get your luggage for you? You know?
Idiots. Idiots! Schneider? They said they had them in Charlotte.
I'm impressed.
Schneider?
Oh, so Schneid, what's going on now?
Just checking my bags. They're either in Tulsa, Milwaukee, or Charlotte. More to come. Thank you.
Can't wait.
Pinkies and Werthers, it's game time. Oh my God, the lane changes on and off the gas. He's gonna kill us. But I don't want to say anything to him, but what'd you say? At a truck stop and Hermie just stepped out of the car, so, you know, I don't want to embarrass him. But with all the lane changes and slamming on the brakes and not understanding how the gas pedal works, it's been a long trip. We were 4 minutes off schedule. Let's really rip on this one like NASCAR.
Yes, okay.
Let's go. Hey Billy, I know we're eating at Schmidty's in 2 hours, but I'm kind of hungry. Let's stop and get a snack. Doing my best to keep my Hermie fed, hydrated, and medicated. Then all of a sudden, we're almost to Schmidty's, and he goes, hey, let's stop at Costco's and get some golf balls, because I don't think I have enough. Yep, escaping the weather of Wisconsin, we come to North Carolina for what, Hermie?
It's hailing out.
It's Hurricane Ivan all over again! Me boy, we're here.
We made it. 2,112 miles later, we're here.
And we backed into the driveway because we overshot it. That's why we're 2 minutes late.
Hey guys, at least I got golf shoes for tomorrow.
Those are awesome, Dave.
I know. I'll be sprinting down there.
Think of our prospects.
I'm looking at our prospects right here. What, broken driver,
Should we look over here?
punched
Okay.
over.
It's not looking good.
It's not looking good.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're gonna, you and I,
It's all right.
we're gonna take them.
Rick, would this feel intrusive as you're lining up if I walked in here like... Would it be hard
Actually,
if I was like
I
that?
like it when you're like
Like
that.
if I was like this? Would that really be bothersome? Are you sensing some intimidation being the newest knob?
No, I think it's gonna be a pretty easy day out here. I saw you swing a few, and then I just saw Hermie break his driver on his swing, and then hit a three-wood between his legs.
You do realize I'm the king, right?
I know you're a king, but you know, kings have off days.
Sensing a problem here. What?
Well, it's that waggle. You know,
Oh,
beforehand.
ooh, that's got a lot of waggle on it. Is that a new driver?
Yeah, it's a new technology.
We're waiting.
Boy, Herm!
I don't know where you're at.
Everybody has surprise written all over their face.
Right on that.
Shooter McGavin.
And he played it, yeah. I know I should have. I was holding it up.
En route for my first knob Make-A-Wish trip, celebrating all the old 60-year-old men. Thank God we got Sean and James and I there to bring some fun and some life to the party. Look forward to seeing the boys. Here we go. Bags are checked. Hopefully they make it on the plane, unlike Schneid. The party's coming, boys.
Joey, we have something here for our special visitors. Would you like to have it?
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sure. You ever been in the cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked? Joey, you ever hang around the gymnasium? You like movies about gladiators?
Just waiting at the airport on Schmidty. Sitting here with my thumb on my ass. Said my flight was on time, but I guess that doesn't mean anything in Schmidty time. I guess this is how I start my first knob trip. No surprise. Still disappointed though. I expected better out of you, Schmidty, for your favorite Netflix.
All right, boys, on the plane, coming, but I'm not going to see it for a while because I had a very important client to see, so I can justify not having to pay out of pocket to see you.
You've got your first business trip coming up. Keep your receipts. I can't stress this enough.
Because I wasn't going to do that. Anyway, yeah, see you tonight. Bye.
This is your captain speaking. Please remain seated until we reach the gate.
Auspicious start to the trip. I had to take a dump on the plane.
You are free to move about the cabin.
Excuse me.
Now I think they're giving me the Schneid treatment with my golf clubs.
The idiots!
They're not showing up. Oh, no, it just came off.
Knobs, I'd like to say something that I prepared. Hello? How about that ride in? I guess that's why they call it the Queen City, haha. You guys might not know this, but I consider myself a bit of a loner. I tend to think of myself as a one-man wolf pack. But when I met Hermie in 4th grade, I knew he was one of my own. My wolf pack, it grew by 1. There was 2 in my wolf pack. I was alone first in the pack, and Hermie joined in later. Then I met Billy in 8th grade playing baseball, and I thought, wait a second, could it be? I just added another guy to our wolf pack. I tell Billy about our wolf pack, and he just laughs and says we're just a couple of knobs. Wow, that sounds better than wolf pack, and the knob tradition begins. Then in high school, we suckered Rick into it, felt sorry for Terry, and invited him, and asked Cott to join for reasons we still can't think of right now. So the knob, they grew to 6. We partied every weekend, made fun of each other's dates, told Hermie stories, but mostly played golf together. Then there were weddings, kids, divorces, more weddings, more kids, more divorces, and then Hermie gets the big C. That started multiple Make-A-Wish trips, including an epic one to Alabama to play golf. A legendary knob emerged from that trip in Mustard Boy. The Knob Nation, it grew to 7. As our kids got older, we needed to start a new generation. And bam, the knobs grew to 10 with Ricky, Tommy, and James. But something happened to James after high school. He went to NC State to become part of the Wolfpack Nation. What? The knobs have a true Wolfpack? So 8 of the knob Wolfpacks are gathered in Charlotte, looking for cocaine and strippers for the Pink Hippo. Before a big day tomorrow, I propose a toast to the Knob Wolfpack. May we continue to make fun of each other, tell the same stories over and over again, find a use for the jump out door, start planning Terry's multiple Make-A-Wish trips, find some time to keep meeting like this, to play more golf, and to make new memories. To the Knob Wolfpack.
Yes!
Huzzah! Huzzah!
Slancha! Well done. Well done.
Tinky, tink, 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 tink. So first of all, the awards for today. You all know who you are. But the first knob champion plaques. Rick Hurden.
Golf clap. Golf clap.
Golf clap. Terry Alan Schneider. Golf clap. Chase James Schmidt. Golf clap.
Those are gonna be up on the wall someplace.
They will be. They will be.
The enforcer of our Lord God, the one!
Alright, so
Don't kid yourself.
call to order. The next thing we have to take care of is the indoctrination of the new knob. Yes. Sergeant at Arms, please present the sacred knob. James, come forward.
I'm a little scared of what he has for you.
Please put your left hand on the knob and raise your right hand.
I state your name.
James Schmidt.
No, state your name.
State your name.
Chase James Schmidt.
No,
State your name.
State your name.
That's
You
your
solemnly swear
Solemnly swear
to go by the non-credo.
to go by the non-credo.
The secret of life
Secret of life
is to destroy your enemies
is to destroy your enemies.
and win the admirations
With the admirations
of the witness.
of the women.
So help me God.
So we go.
You are now a knob. Welcome to the knob.
He hasn't seen Animal House.
I state your name.
I state your name.
State your name.
I know, I thought for sure I was going to get it.
That exhibited the generational.
Guys, I'm sorry. That's all I want to say. I thought I raised him better.
You failed them.
I'm a lame duck king is what it is. We are going to elect a new king of the knobs this week. Alright, so we're going to do a secret ballot. Only I will know who's voting. I will take a needle, get some yarn, and I will run it through each of the votes. When you see the white puff of smoke in the backyard, you know there's going to be a knob.
Mr. Cancer Card he wants to make a motion.
Okay. We have a second on the motion.
Second. Third.
I believe that Billy should be the king of the knobs until he is physically unable to carry out his duties.
I agree. This thing, I'm not going to hang it on my wall.
Yep. Hey. I third. You got
All in favor?
Aye.
Yeah!
That didn't go quite as
Oh, the white smoke! There's the white smoke!
Of the Sistine Chapel is white. This is occurring at this moment. You are watching it live.
The grill's on fire.
We have white smoke.
Hail to the king, baby.
All right. This is not how you say. No. Bravo! Whoa! Sit down, organizer. You're the host. No. Sit down. All right. I've been the newly elected king. So wonderful. I can't wait to hang this damn thing on my wall. So, you guys get the king of the knobs, right?
No, I thought that was.
No one said the king is the smartest one in the room.
Hey, Billy, what you doing?
I'm protecting myself. Joe Biden's the new president.
Two knobs there in order to be knobs. It's like king of the knob.
Oh, you suck.
Well,
What's your every?
Billy, what was it from his birthday movie?
All you've ever given me, little buddy, is judgment and correction. Correction and judgment.
Correction and judgment.
All right, so tomorrow, the ceremonial ball will be hit by Sean. Stewart, you have to hit that ball.
That is definitely filled with mustard.
It is not.
I would use a club that you don't normally use very much.
We all know that Hermie is a cheapskate, right? Yes. He becomes an what?
Oh no.
He becomes an astrologist as soon as the bill comes. Alligator. You know this, right?
Alligator.
You all know what he does with teas. He hits the ball and he looks for half an hour like it's a ball. And we're like, Hermie, they're cheap. So I got him a unbreakable tee. But since he won't be able to control it, there's a clip for his shoe. There you go.
And you have to use it on the par 3.
Oh my God.
At least one par 3. All par 3. No, because he's my partner.
So now it matters. To hit the ceremonial first shot of the Knob Schmidty Make-A-Wish Tour Extravaganza. Sean, Mustard Boy Hurd. I don't know where.
Oh, that's a beautiful. You're gonna have to play that ball all day.
Whoa! What the hell just happened? One with the guts to take the putter off the tee box.
Feel like a woman.
Pose, pose, pose. See if he likes it. Does he like it?
Yeah, how do you finish again? Dead last? Oh, yeah. He had a good day, though.
I think he likes it. Pose, pose, pose.
Damn it! I'm telling you, it's the club. I just had it re-gripped, man. Something's up. We walk in the garden of his turbulence.
Swing thought, James?
Just want to make my dad proud.
There's two types of people in this world. There's winners and there's losers. And if your dad has said, oh, it doesn't matter whether you win or lose, just as long as you have fun, Well, I hate to say it, your dad's a loser.
Oh, and it's feeding to the hole. James, how are we feeling?
Feeling pretty good. Me and Rick are about to take it to him. You know,
Yeah,
my dad's on the other team.
Feel Schmidty.
I'm feeling really good after seeing these guys, especially Hermie and Terry.
Pose, pose. Pose up. Does he like it?
Mustard today is everywhere.
Pose, I don't care. He likes it.
And O.J. Simpson, you shouldn't have done it, but you got away with it.
Oh!
That's a rock, Hudson. Looks straight, but it's not.
Not exactly why. Oh no, you're carrying your own clubs now. Oh, James, what? I don't care, stuff. I got staff. What the hell?
Thanks to the complimentary golf balls he gave to all his guests, he never lost a game. Ever.
Oh, bad luck!
I think that's a gimme, eh, boys? Oh, yeah. Let's play the next hole. Come join us.
The high priests of golf travel from every corner of the world to Pinehurst in the southern section of North Carolina, a quaint colonial town set in the heart of the Old South.
Let's go, girls.
Terry Schneider, 5'9¼ 192 pounds, aka Ellen, aka Clarice's boy toy, aka Cancer Boy, aka Cot. I have blue fingernails. What do I do?
Big shooter Schmidty, 5'9" last time, 5'8.5" this time, 165 pounds, future Hall of Fame football and track. And all I want out of this whole thing is one thing. Please, give me a damn trophy!
Billy Anders, 6 foot. Weight, I don't know. I got an audible scale that says 1 at a time every time I step on it. AKA the Big Sexy, King of the Knobs, Big Fish Bill. I'm only here for hemorrhoidal jokes, and it's hard being the king out!
Tommy Hurden, aka Scooter, 3rd string running back, 5'10", 190 pounds. Lived in my brother's shadow on the golf course my whole life, but when I'm playing golf with the Knobs, I'm in the Hall of Fame.
Pat, Hermie, Chet. What was it? 6'2", 212. The original home of Cancer Boy.
Rick Malcolm Hurden, 5'8", 179. St. Norbert College, University of Notre Dame, running back, doesn't like golf anymore. Out.
Sean Stewart Hurden, 5'9", 160.
Purveyor of fine mustards.
James Chase Schmidt, 5'9", 130. Also, let's take my sponsor Lance's Peanuts today. Help keep me energized and healthy all day. Thank you.
5 iron to the right.
All right, looks like they're about 380 out. You think I'm good to hit?
Well, we're waiting.
Jesus.
You laid up on a par 3?
Man, I feel like a woman.
Right down the fairway? Can you believe how narrow these fairways are? Sean Herden, 40 yards off the green. Get up. Oh, leaving it short again.
So close, but short.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Probably sand trap number 8 here. Can he get out? Oh yeah, he got out. Oh, I think he's into the woods.
Adolf Hitler. 2 shots in the bunker.
All right, we've got Terry Snyder out of a trap. His goal is to get it out of the trap. It sounded like a double hit. Oh, and there's the ball, 50 yards out.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Hey James, what you trying to do?
How can the ball stay there? That's what he has to be at.
Yeah!
Man, I feel like a woman.
That would have been a great shot if it wouldn't hit those rocks those 3 times and then went in the water. If you'd have been 1 foot further and not hit that first rock and then hit the second rock and then hit the third rock, and then if you wouldn't have went in the water, you were this close, man.
Get up, get up.
Oh. Woo. Hey guys, who are we missing?
Not the other team!
Championship are James and Rick.
Golf clap? Golf clap.
Go golf clap. Chase, congratulations, golf clap. Closest to the pin was
Schneid 1-1.
I don't know. Golf clap with the cancer card.
And James.
And James.
Losers. All right.
Billy. And Hermie.
How does that feel? How does that feel, handing Hermie a trophy?
The tiny mini putt goes to Tommy Boy.
Hey.
Scooter. Oh, wait, it's so tiny. Get this in the video. Here it comes. Golf clap.
Who wants an orange whip? Orange whip? Orange whip? 3 orange whips.
And the feels like a woman is not Natalie.
Schmidty. Last night.
Were you drinking with Schmidty again?
No.
Morning, Amy. We never speak of this again.
what it's like going on a golf trip with a bunch of old men.
Hey, Sean, explain that enemy at the gates.
I was filming him too.
How's it going?
Not great. Not great. Not great. It's not.
Sean, go, Sean.
Go.
I hope he makes it. Hey, Tommy, I don't think you got enough club from there.
No?
No.
Like a woman.
Nice and smooth.
That's not right.
You'd think with as long as he stood over the ball, it would have been perfect.
Station is, does he slice it through this hole, which Billy suggests, or do you crazy underneath these branches around it, hook it back in as Tommy plans to do? Let's see what happens. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. Hey, hooker.
Oh, he's got the driver.
Living large. Look at how he holds the pose. He's got the foot up, the foot up, the foot up, the foot up, and he likes it. The twist.
And he kills me.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Nope.
Oh.
Go, Schmidty! Shake, and then bait. Shake and bait.
Hey, boys, who are we missing?
Not the other team!
All right, knock it close. Doesn't he kind of look like a
Tears in his eyes.
skateboarder sponsored by JCPenney?
Get in the hole! Oh, nice shot.
Sonny Bono, straight into the tree.
Through. Oh, that was.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold him down by your side.
Okay, so that snag right, what am I doing with this arm? What am I doing with this arm? I gotta know what to do with this arm!
It's tucked in.
It's tucked in here?
Yeah, like, yep.
Holy cow, that's gay.
Right, the gayest shots. What? What am I doing?
Rick, you gotta get your arm down. Your left arm, Dad. Under Hermie.
Under Hermie.
Yeah,
grab his ass.
Billy, that's pretty good.
God, I can't believe you did this.
Schmidty, your leg. Oh, Hermie, your leg is over Schmidty's.
Oh, Jesus. How gay is this?
No, not over, like
yours, like, yeah. Like this. Yeah. Good God.
Hey, Billy! Whoa! What the hell just happened right there?
There's Ayuk. They know where to stand right by the... Head coach. But
3 times a day in my home, I'm on the press conference.
Ah! What the hell are you guys doing?
Wear that in the raft.
Wait. Where'd you guys get these shorts?
At the clown store. At the clown store.
I want to go back and talk about the mile markers, the decimal mile markers.
Hey, Herbie, are there any mile markers around here?
You know, Bill, you've kicked over your bucket.
No rain in the forecast.
Nope.
No.
It wouldn't be a knob trip without a hurricane.
Okay, Pookie, do the honor.
Hey guys, who are we missing? Nobody! Wait, what? Huh? Cut! This is me having to leave all you knobs today.
What are the odds of having a godfather in a godson's room and now a godfather in a goddaughter's room? So here's Hermie's palace for the last 4 nights. And I know, Terry, you probably want to call this what now? This is the remission room, because even though they don't have cancer now, but they did have cancer, that doesn't compare to what you're going through. I guess 30 years of cancer treatment doesn't supersede being diagnosed 6 months ago. I find that hard to believe, Terry, but if that's what you want to go with and that's the card you're playing, that's fine. I'm sorry, but I do have to show this, Hermie. God, you were a good-looking guy in grade school. Not sure who cut your hair. I'm guessing it was one of your brothers. but I know Natalie is very proud to have given up her room for you. Now we're entering the room of my son, where his godfather was able to rest for the past 3 or 4 nights. Terry, aka the Cancer Kid. One, I'm wondering, since you pulled the card, your cancer card out so many times during the week, why not put it on a gold chain? That probably would be more apt than taking out your wallet about every 5 minutes to show everybody that you have your cancer card. What an honor, I would guess, for you to stay in your godson's room for the Knob weekend. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, now we're entering Billy's room. Billy took this room just because there were a lot of Cosmopolitan magazines in there. But the problem was, when I went through some of the pages, the only ones that were sticky were the ones that had food in them. And this here is their herding room. And I really, 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 really hate to say this, but unfortunately, this is what they call the trophy room. There are more trophies in this room before they left than any other room in the house. Really, really, really hard to say that. Shawnee boy, this is your room. I've decided instead of washing your sheets, I probably need to burn them. And actually, probably not a bad idea. I might have to burn the mattress as well. When you're a new knob, this is basically where you have to sleep. Sorry, James, this is probably going to be like this for a while. Terry and Rick, little helpful suggestion for next year when you plan this thing. 1, lots of candles in the bathroom. 2, plenty of spray. 3, make sure the fans work. And 4, I would suggest you put a plunger in every one of these bathrooms. Allen's Auto. All right, it's Sunday morning. I just dropped the knobs off, most of them at the airport, and now I am being a knob dad. Here I am at the scene of the crime yesterday where I had got my first trophy, and I'm picking up my son's 6-iron and his wallet. It seems like he was so excited to play with Hermie that he decided to leave all this stuff behind. So, just things that a knob dad does for his knob son. All right, mission accomplished. That is a really awesome picture of you, James, right there. Wallet, 6-iron. You've been hanging around Hermie way too long. This is something that I'm sure he has passed on to you that I wouldn't be that proud of, James.
Twinkies and Werthers. Game time. What the hell did you just do?
I don't know.
What was that?
I don't know.
Just hold it like...
Terry Schneider, 5'9 1/4, 192 pounds. Cot, I need you here. This has been horrible.
Action.
Terry Schneider, 5'9 1/4, 192 pounds. AKA Alan, AKA Clear.
Back it up, Schmidty.
Back it up.
Action.